Hello everyone, I have got some great things ready for 2019 for Facerobics. I've decided to change the channel up a bit because I've been doing the same thing for quite a long time. So now I've decided that I'm going to be doing some more videos and hopefully some interesting videos and information that you might want actually. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, of course, is Facerobics and doing exercises and showing you how to do exercises, to work on you, helping you to study the way of face aerobics, face exercises. Now it's really important that you learn how to do these exercises properly. So I'm going to be doing updates, but I'm also going to be teaching you about the muscles of the face, different parts of anatomy of the face and what the muscles do. And I think that if you learn more about the actual structure and facial features, you will have much more power in doing your facial exercises. We're not going to be doing another series this year, so I'm going to stick just to series 6, and we're going to start concentrating on all of the exercises in each series because there's a lot of exercises, and I think that that's enough for the moment, that we have got enough there to work with and we've got enough to really be able to learn how to rejuvenate our face properly. So that's the first thing that's going to happen. The second thing is I'm going to be doing something called the beauty room. In the beauty room, we're going to be talking about beauty, about skincare, about all things to do with anti-aging. These topics are going to be about ways to do things in your home because it can get quite expensive doing things for your face, using product, going and have treatments, all sorts of things like that. So it can be quite expensive. So my aim for this year is going to be doing things like how to get over different conditions of your face, working with your hands and nails, all sorts of things that's going to really help you at home, just little bits and tips. The third thing I'm going to be doing is called Try It Peter. Try It Peter in 2019 is going to be me trying out unusual products. So I'm going to be sifting the internet for really exotic and different types of products that people use on their face or companies offer to use on your face, but you might be a little bit worried about it because of the name of it, what it actually is, all of that sort of thing. So I'm going to do Try It Peter. Now what I'd like to do is also ask you guys to send me in emails as to what you would like me to try. So the more emails I get and the more stuff that I can get to try, the more videos you'll be able to see. So it's not going to be anything that's really heavy going. It's just going to be hopefully a light video that shows how to do things for your hair or all sorts of things, different things that I can find on the internet that's unusual and exotic. Here's a link here for Try It Peter. If you'd like to send me an email, do so through my support ticket site on Renew Me. Send me an email, make the subject Try It Peter, and if you find something that's really unusual, really exotic, or something that is a little bit strange for me to try it, let me know what it is. I'll go ahead and research it and I'll put it up on the internet for you. So please do try to get involved with that because that's something that's going to be a fun thing that we're going to do through the year. So we've got Facerobics, we've got In the Beauty Room, and we've got Try It Peter this year. I really hope that you guys really get involved with this and hope it's something that's going to help. And everything I try to do is informative, fun, something that's going to change your face in a positive way and change your mind as well in a positive way. So this is something really exciting for me. I've been planning to do this for a while, so I've virtually planned the whole year out with the videos. But if something comes along that you would like me to talk about, please go ahead and put it in any comment box in any of the videos on the channel because I'll get it and then I can try to get it done. Alright, well I hope that's exciting for you guys. I hope you're looking forward to it. And please do remember to subscribe to the channel because if you don't subscribe, you'll miss out on all the updates with all these other topics that I'm going to be talking about. Okay guys, well you have a lovely day wherever you are in the world and I'll see you soon. Bye.